Welcome to a MacDermid Autotype how-to guide video tutorial. In this guide we will look at some of the tips and tricks for manually coating plus emulsions. Firstly, always wear the appropriate safety equipment when handling any emulsion. Use scissors or a sharp knife to open the diazo powder sachet. Hold the sachet close to the surface of the emulsion to prevent the powder becoming airborne, and make sure that you empty out all of the diazo powder. Gently fold in the diazo powder, as this will also help to prevent it becoming airborne. You now need to thoroughly mix in the diazo into the emulsion. It is very important to do this properly to ensure that you get an even dispersion of the diazo throughout the emulsion. You will see that the emulsion takes on an even colour when all the yellow sensitizer is mixed in properly. Leave the emulsion for at least 12 hours after mixing to allow the air bubbles to come out. It is always good practice to write the date the emulsion was sensitized on the container. Select a clean, high quality coating trough and then fill the trough slowly to minimize air bubbles. Remove the excess emulsion from the lip of the container with a damp cloth, otherwise it could contaminate the emulsion with bits next time it was opened. Clamp the screen securely with the print side towards you and make sure that it cannot move during coating. Apply the initial coat to the print side using firm pressure and a slow speed. 1 or 2 additional coats can now be applied on top of the wet emulsion. Turn the screen around and clamp it securely with the squeegee side towards you. Now apply 1 or 2 coats of emulsion from the squeegee side. It is important to use a slow coating speed, especially when coating a high viscosity emulsion onto a coarse mesh, otherwise you will trap many air bubbles in the mesh openings, which may lead to pinholes during printing. A simple test to see how well the mesh is filled is to look at the squeegee side in reflected light. A glossy surface will show you that you have filled the mesh completely. The screen should now be dried print side down in a drying cabinet. For more information on screen drying, go to the how-to guide to drying. If the highest print definition is required, then additional face coats may be applied to the print side after the base coat is fully dried. For more information on plus emulsions or any MacDermid Autotype product, please go to our website, macdermid.com/autotype.